Maarten. This is literally my first time here in St. Maarten, and I hope the weather cooperates. It's looking a little crazy out. It's super windy. Oh my God. It's super windy. The waves are going. I'm trying to go to Maho Beach. I don't know if we're going to make it, so we'll see. It looks pretty out here, but it's just super windy. It might rain. I should have brought my umbrella. But we'll see how it goes. Beautiful. We have the vista over here. So we're headed to Maho Beach. I don't know how we're gonna get there. Taxi, we'll see. We're gonna try and do the infamous plane pictures if we can. Who knows? It might storm before then, but hey. But it does look nice. But you see the waves are a little choppy. So this is my first time here in St. Maarten, if I haven't told you. And if this is your first time looking at the port, let's look at it together, shall we? So they have a lot of rocks right here, huge rocks. The wind is crashing the waves against the rocks. Oh my God. This bar is the famous Sunset Bar and Grill. So you can actually look at the screens. There's a TV screen right there, and you can see the time frames for the flights that are incoming, so you can be aware of when they're going to come in and you can look at them. But this bar is where you can sit and spot the planes that are coming in to the airport. So this bar is very, very nice. This is Maho Beach, and this is where the planes come and fly over into the airport. So this is where you'll see everybody crowded around, looking into the distance, waiting for the airplanes to come in to get that perfect picture. Now the airport is directly in back of the beach. So once I show you, you'll see it's literally right in the back. So right where the fences are, you can see in the back, that's where the airplanes land. So cool. All right, guys, so I'm here at Maho Beach, like I said, and it's beautiful out here. The waves are kind of rough, though, so you can't really get into the water too much, just enough to dip your feet in because you don't want to get pulled out into the ocean. So the waves are rough, but it's still nice outside. I saw one plane go by. Okay, now they do have a schedule inside this bar over here. There's a schedule of planes when they're supposed to come, so you'll know when the planes are to fly over the beach. I saw one, but it was a small one, so I'm waiting for the big one, which is KLM. So I'm trying to get that big one. So that should come in about 30 minutes. Let's see what time it is. Yeah, so we got like 30 minutes before that one comes, and then after that there might be another one, but I'm not sure. But pro tip, when you're coming down to Maho Beach, the taxi is about a 20-minute ride. So it's about a 20-minute ride. Make sure you carve out time for that. So, and then make sure you carve out time to get back, because there also might be traffic. So it's about a 20-minute ride coming. Going back, it might be a little longer due to traffic. So, oh, sandcastle. So yeah, make sure you take that into consideration. The price for the taxi was $18 per person round trip. So it was $9 coming, $9 going back, and that's per person. So it was $36 for two people. My daughter was, she's 3, so she was free. They let her go free. So that was way better than St. Thomas's price. I'm just going to tell you that now. So yeah, the beach is nice. Like I said, I'm waiting for this airplane to come. It's warm out. It's not sunny, which is kind of good, because if the sun was out, I'd be burning up waiting for this plane. And who wants to burn up? Not me. Anyways, so yeah, you see the beach here in the background. People are waiting all on the rock. People are waiting on the rock. So I'm waiting for the plane to come that way, this way. So when the plane comes, you'll see it. See, right now, everybody's waiting for the plane to come. It should be coming like now. Plane should be coming, so everybody's here waiting for it to come. Yep, everybody's waiting. Like I said, we probably have, it should be here at 12:40. No, 12:45. So we have 3 minutes. 3 minutes until this plane supposedly comes. If it's, hopefully it's on time. So hope I can get a good shot for you guys.
KLM ain't coming till 1:23.
Guys, the plane is on its way. I'm trying to have 2 angles being set up, but it's on its way. It's coming. It's coming. It's I'm here at the bar that's right by Maho Beach where you can watch all the planes go. So I'll give you a little tour. I had a great time at Maho Beach, and now I am back in the taxi, headed straight back to the port to get back on the ship. Okay, so we are headed back to the cruise ship or our Carnival Vista ship. We are headed back from a eventful day here at St. Maarten. Actually, I like St. Maarten. I do think that this is a port that I can come back and fly back in, because driving to the beach, it looked like there was a lot of things to do. And so I'm intrigued. So I definitely want to fly back and stay a few days, because why not, right? It's beautiful out here. They had a lot of stores, a lot of restaurants, lounge vibes. It looked cool. So yeah, definitely a place to come back and visit for 3 or 4 days flying in. So it definitely caught my attention. Oh, bye St. Maarten. I had a great time here. St. Maarten was definitely a great time. I had a wonderful time here. The beach was amazing, and I know they have other beaches out here in St. Maarten that are great as well. I do want to try that when I come back and stay a couple days. Like, I want to fly in and see what St. Maarten has to offer. They also have that zip line, the famous Flying Dutchman. So if you guys are ever in St. Maarten, make sure you guys check that out. Next time on Travel with Toy, we stop in San Juan, Puerto Rico, another one of my favorite ports. And I also, for the first time, will get to visit the forts in Old San Juan. So you don't want to miss it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.